Steve.
Gregor.
Hey, how's it going?
Okay.
Yep, you Steve?
Yep.
Do you work for MGM?
No.
Oh, okay. 3760 Magnolia? Cool, let's do it. Did you have a late night?
Yeah. It was alright.
Uh-huh. Hey, do you mind throwing your belt on real quick? My car gets really annoying with those stupid safety things, you know?
Okay. Okay. What are you doing, man?
No, that's the car. That's the car. So if you want to throw your belt on, that won't happen anymore. See, I told you. Oh, yeah. 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 Hey, Steve, do you mind just throwing your belt on? It'll take 2 seconds.
Look, man, I'm really fucking hungover. I don't want to wear my belt right now. Hey, can we just stop, please? This is a lot.
Babum bisca, babum bisca, babum bisca, babum bisca.
Listen, man, that's really fucking irritating. Can you just stop?
Bisca, babum bisca, babum bisca, babum bisca, babum bisca, babum bisca, babum bisca. Oh!
All right, that's it. Pull over right here, please.
Okay. Told you, man, if you just put your belt on. All right, Steve, have a good day. All right, man. Thank you.